Hello everyone, this is Fazal Rabi. Welcome to my YouTube English learning channel. In this vocabulary playlist, I have collected 1000 most important antonyms of English. It will help in your vocabulary, it will help in your tests and examinations. These antonyms will be presented in alphabetical order comprised of 14 videos. So let's start with A. About, exactly. Above, below. Absence, presence. Abundance, lack. Accept, refuse. Accidental, intentional. Active, lazy. Add, subtract. Admit, deny. Adult, child. Advanced, elementary. Affirmative, negative. Afraid, brave. After, before. Against, for. Alike, different. Alive, dead. Allow, forbid. Already, not yet. Always, never. Ancient, modern. Ancestor, descendant. Agree, refuse. Amateur, professional. Amuse, bow. Angel, devil. Animal, human. Annoy, satisfy. Answer, ask. Answer, question. Antonym, synonym. Apart, together. Approximately, exactly. Argue, agree. Arrest, free. Arrival, departure. Arrive, depart. Artificial, natural. Ascent, decent. Ask, answer. Asleep, awake. Attack, defend. Attack, defense. Attic, cellar. Autumn, spring. Awake, asleep. Awful, nice. Back, in front of. Background, foreground. Backward, forward, bad, good, bad luck, fortune, beauty, ugliness, before, after, begin, end, beginning, end, behind, in front of, below, above, best, worst, better, worse, beautiful, ugly, big, small, birth, death, bitter, sweet, black, white, blunt, sharp, body, soul, bore, amuse, boring, exciting, borrow, lend. It's all in this video. For more antonyms, click the next one video. Thank you so much.